Okay, you know what? This is ridiculous. Hey my beauties, I'm Madeling and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm super excited about is my current skincare favorites. I'm gonna let y'all in on my little secret. If you guys watch my chit chat get ready with me video, then you saw my skin was hurting, it was sad, she was mad at me. I had like breakouts and spots and let's just say I've grown a lot since then. These products here specifically have helped me, so just a quick These products specifically has helped. I can't even talk now. Like we just gonna cut the whole video. All right, so I got a before and after picture. I don't know like which one's gonna go where, but I'm gonna show that. And I will say that these products have worked for me. This is specifically what my problems were. Like I had breakouts, I had acne scarring, I had like hyperpigmentation, dull skin, like all of those things. So these products have specifically helped with those problems for me. So when I have like a client as a licensed esthetician, I analyze their skin, I look at what their skincare problems are, and then I recommend products for them. So I would love to do that for you guys. If you want to give me like a comment or a DM, and you know, I could like take a picture of your skin, let me see it and see what I can do for you guys in that sense. But these specifically have worked for me. It's not something that I tried one day and I was like, oh, it smells good, like let me recommend it. No, it's been about 2 months now that I've been using this product in the same order, and I have seen results. That's why I'm recommending them. So that way, if you have any like of the same issues that I was having, then you know these products are gonna work for sure. I can't like specifically say it's only one thing in this list of recommendations, because I want to say as a whole, I have seen results and they are working. So y'all try it, buy it, let me know. As of right now, I'm super satisfied. Like I'm really happy. So I hope they work for you too. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I have 3 face washes up here, and no, I'm not being extra. I do use 2 at a time. So first I go in with the dermalogical one. It's a gel cleansing. It has pH balance to skin, so when I'm using it, it's not stripping my skin of any oils or anything. I'm literally just using it to cleanse off any makeup, debris, residual oils, or anything like that. But again, it's not stripping my skin of anything. So it's just cleaning it and then making a clean base for my face wash that I feel like has benefits and nutrients and things added to it. That way I know it's really getting into my skin and not having to feel like it has to cleanse and then put things on top. Like it's just, this is how it goes, okay? So cleanse first, and then this one, as you can see, she's almost empty, guys. I will say that it helps as far as having like grapefruit beads in it. It has vitamin C in it, but there's nothing fancy about it. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to repurchase it, but if I do, it's literally just because of the beads in it and vitamin C. When you have hyperpigmentation or you have like dull skin or dark spots, you want to make sure you're using like a vitamin C, because what that's doing is fading the dark spots over time. It's hydrating your skin. It's also brightening your skin so you look nice and glowy, and you want to combat those problems. So this one, like I said, it has the vitamin C and the grapefruit beads in it, so I feel like although it's working. So the next face wash that I use is a Clear Complexion from Aveeno. I've been using this since high school, y'all. So when I tell you it's a staple in my skincare routine, it also works. So this brightens, it has salicylic acid in it, so it combats those breakouts or like, you know, acne scars or things like that. 1 pump, I put it on here. 1 pump. It's 1 foam pump, but it works enough for my entire face, so I don't have to feel like you have to use multiple pumps of this. It'll last a really long time. And then I put 1 pump here, and then just let this exfoliate. The brush is nothing fancy, got it from Walmart, super cheap, which I will say, if you do want a brush that's gonna last you a long time, then probably get like a name brand one, but this worked for me for now. Yes, this is going to just exfoliate, make sure you're getting rid of those dead skin cells that need to come off so that your skin can be like nice and smooth and get some new cell growth in there. After I'm done cleansing, I use these products right here. First, I go in with a toner. This toner has 10% glycolic acid in it, and then also has some probiotics and superfoods. So it has like blueberry, it has some extracts that are hydrating, and then also it has beat, so it's going to help promote like a healthy clear complexion and also brightening. So this, I will say, I do love. It's kind of comes off as like a serum consistency, but it's not. It's like nice and watery, so your skin soaks it up, it hydrates, and it feels really, really good afterwards. Then I use this Strivectin Super C Retinol Serum. This is more thicker, but it's so amazing. It has vitamin C, so it's brightening and it's correcting, and then also has retinol, which is my first time using a retinol, but I'm completely fine with it because I do need some help with like exfoliation, something that's going to continuously exfoliate just to get rid of the dark spots. As you know, y'all has seen, I need help with these dark spots. So then when I'm done with the serum, I go in with this essence. It's my first time using an essence. I usually used like a regular face toner, but this essence, I will say, it does a job. So it says drench and rewind. It's like thick. It's like water, but it's thicker. I don't really know how to describe the consistency because like you could see bubbles while I'm shaking it up, but also the bottle doesn't have anything as far as like ingredients or anything go. But I do think that you want to use a essence or a toner or something after you use your serum, because when you're applying that on, it's really letting the serum penetrate your skin and pushing it in. Like it's like a layers thing. You know, when you mix oil and water together, you know how they don't mix whatsoever. So when you put like the serum or the oil and then you push the water on, it's doing that same thing on your skin. It's like pushing it in. It doesn't want to mix or blend with it, you know? So that's why this is important. So once I'm done with the serum and things like that, I go in with a moisturizer. This moisturizer has matcha as a niacinamide, which is good for lightening the dark spots, hydrating, getting your cell growth to really promote that healthy, beautiful glow. So that ingredient right there is super, super, super important. You want to make sure that anything that says it's going to help lighten your dark spots, fade dark spots, hydrate, clear complexion, you want to look for that specific ingredient. So yeah, this moisturizer is really nice. These two are from the same line. So what I typically like to look at when I'm getting skincare products is obviously who made it, reviews, are people seeing results, but this specifically was made by a licensed esthetician. So I typically tend to trust licensed estheticians or estheticians, you know, because I know that we had to go through a thorough education system with the skincare. So we're not just going to recommend products that are just like, ooh, I'm buying it because it's a name brand, or I'm buying it because it's promising this. Like, I actually want to see results. So when I saw that she was a licensed esthetician, I was like, I'm gonna get it. And then I saw reviews and stuff like that after, but I just knew, like, your girl got some stuff. Once I'm done moisturizing, then I go onto my eyes. I use two. So one is the Ginseng Origins refreshing eye cream and brighten and depuff, and then the other one is the Glam Glow. But Glam Glow I only use when I'm doing makeup or wanting extra hydration, because I'm gonna put, you know, my concealer on, I'm gonna put on my setting powder, and I don't want like that dry cakey look. So this really helps with that. This one says it helps with illuminating and anti-fatigue eye cream, so it does have kind of like a glittery effect to it, and I really love that about this. So that's why I use this under my concealer, but I use this every day and every night regardless if I'm doing makeup or not. Make sure you don't skip getting an eye cream in your skincare routine, because it is obviously a part of your face, but it's also very essential. That skin area is very thin, but it does need to be moisturized. You do want to make sure you're not just using like a regular moisturizer over that area, which isn't a bad thing, but you want something that's really geared towards that area, you know what I mean? Especially if you have like dark circles or fatigue, or like something that you want to make sure you're adding like some beautiful, nice, beneficial ingredients there. Also caffeine will wake you up, you know what I mean? So yeah. Right, so this product right here is just an exfoliant. It's a manual exfoliant. It says it's microdermabrasion from Dr. Brandt. I use this 1 to 2 times a week, or especially if I wear makeup. So like once I take off this makeup, I'm going to go in with this and really get rid of all of that, you know, dead skin cells, but also make sure that all of the makeup is taken off of my face. So when I use this, it's typically after I'm done cleansing, and then I go in with the steps that I mentioned. So like the toner, you know, the serum, and like things like that. This is only 1 to 2 times a week. If you have sensitive skin, then you want to be careful. Like maybe once a week and then, you know, see how your skin reacts to it. You don't want to do it, overuse it, because your skin will get, you know, bad reactions. It's gonna like hate you for it, because it does have like some, you know, really gritty things in here that is really gonna help with exfoliating. Let me see if I can see what it is exactly. It doesn't say, it don't say, but it's really gritty. So there's some pieces in here that are kind of like really gonna make sure it's getting rid of that dull skin, you know. So next I have my Kind, oh no, seriously, oh my gosh. All right, so next I have my Kind Organics vitamins. This is kind of random because it doesn't necessarily go on your skin, but it is beneficial to ingest, and it helps with like skin cell growth, nail growth, healthy hair, all of those things. So in addition to like my other vitamins, I make sure I take this because it is geared towards your skin. So you want to believe that your supplements are like helping with like your skin cell growth, your face. That way when you're exfoliating and new skin cells are coming in, there's something underneath your skin that is helping to like promote a healthy glow and things like that. So I will say that these are one of my favorite brands of my vitamins. And you know, you just feel healthy taking them. It's not something you're gonna see super quick results right away, but since it is getting into your bloodstream and things like that, it is gonna help you. All right, so next I have the Mario Badescu drying lotion. I put this on a breakout. I personally don't like love it. Like, I don't know what everybody was raving about, but I do get the idea of having like salicylic acid sitting on a pimple and thinking it's gonna be like a miracle worker. But for me, I don't really notice that it's doing anything. I just like the idea of salicylic acid sitting on a pimple. So yeah, there's different ways about going about a breakout. Obviously, you don't want to mess it up. You don't want to pimp it, pop it, whatever. Because what you like, damage is done quick. It takes 1 minute to try and pop a pimple. If you do it incorrectly, it's going to take weeks to repair that damage. So you want to make sure you're really taking care of your skin, and also like taking things, extracting pimples. Like, you want to make sure you're doing things properly so you don't have weeks of repair to do, which being a licensed esthetician, I'm telling you, I'm not perfect. Your girl had like this breakout right here. Oof, your skin is going to hate you for doing things improperly, and then you have to literally sit there and baby it for weeks, months, maybe even years, depending on how your skin is going to react to what damage is done to it. You know what I mean? So that is the reason why I stress it. Like, take care of your skin, make sure you're doing things properly, because it will take forever to repair. And some people, their skin can like get over a breakout. You can like improperly extract it, and then like 3 weeks later it's gone. You know what I mean? But me, and my skin take months. Like, she's like, oh, you want to do what? Okay, here you go, I'm gonna show you. Next time, think twice before you do that. So yeah, that's why you got to take care of your skin. Guys, that is it. I went through this video quick. It says 12 minutes here. I did not come here to play. All right, my loves, that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any skincare concerns. Like I said, feel free to DM me. I would love to help you with your skin. We can come up with like a personalized skincare routine for you. Thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time.